Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to hide your post views on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you'll be provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon for creation and posting of videos on TikTok, the inbox icon, and then lastly, your profile icon. Here you click on your profile, and then at the top right, you're provided with 2 icons again, and here you click on the second 3-dashed icon. Here you click on settings and privacy, which is your last option here, and then you click on privacy, which is your second option under the account section. You scroll down to post views, and then you turn it off. After that, your post view history will be hidden on TikTok. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.